Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shine. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue solving exercise 20C from chapter Area and Perimeter of Plane Figures. So starting with question number 11. The radii of two circles are in the ratio 3:8 if the difference between their areas is 2695 pi square centimeter. Find the area of the smaller circle. There are two circles. Let's number the two circles as circle 1 and circle 2. So first we'll see कैसे solve करना है, okay? Then we'll solve with proper statements. There are two circles. For circle 1 we'll take radius as r1 and for circle 2 radius r2, okay? And यहाँ पे areas भी है, so for circle 1 area will be a1, for circle 2 area will be a2, okay? Now let's see what information we have. Radii of two circles are in the ratio 3:8. So radius का ratio दिया हुआ है. So radii of two circles, that is r1 upon r2, are in the ratio 3:8. Okay. Now this ratio is the reduced value, है ना? जरूरी नहीं है कि r1 3 होगा, r2 8 होगा. Okay, so this might be a reduced value. It might be 30 upon 80. 10 से divide हो गया, 3 upon 8 मिल गया, है ना? So some common factor, some common number has been cancelled out. Let's say that this common number is x. Okay, so let's say that r1 is 3x and r2 is 8x. Okay. You cannot take r1 as 3 and r2 as 8, okay? That will be wrong. तो ये 3x what centimeter, because area का difference जो दिया है that is square centimeter. So radius will be in centimeter, okay? r1 ये लिया है, r2 ये लिया है. Now you are told the difference between the areas is 2695 pi square centimeter. So difference of the areas. Now difference जब कंसिडर करेंगे तो ग्रेटर माइनस स्मॉलर लेंगे, है ना? सो एरिया ऑफ विच सर्कल विल बी ग्रेटर. ऑफ कोर्स जिसका रेडियस ज्यादा है उसका एरिया ज्यादा होगा, जिसका रेडियस कम है उसका एरिया कम होगा. सो हियर 8x विल बी मोर देन 3x ऑफ कोर्स. सो सर्कल 2 का रेडियस ज्यादा होगा, सो ऑफ कोर्स एरिया विल बी ग्रेटर. सो a2 is greater than a1. Okay. So a2 minus a1, difference between the areas is 2695 pi. Okay. What is the formula for area of the circle? It is going to be pi r2 squared and for this pi r1 squared. So a2 minus a1 is 2695 pi. Okay. पाई तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, we'll be left with r2 square minus r1 squared is equal to 2695. r2 we'll take as 8x, r1 as 3x. Solve करके we will get the value of x. Once we get the value of x, we can easily find out r1 and r2. है ना? Radii of both the circles we'll get. What do we need to find out? We need to find out the area of the smaller circle. We know this is the smaller circle, जिसका radius कम है उसका area small होगा. So this is going to be the smaller circle, circle 1. So area of smaller circle, that is a1, will be pi r1 squared. Putting the value of r1, we'll get the area as well. Okay. So पहले x find out करना है, common factor जो है वो find out करना है. After that you will get the radius and using the radius you can easily find out the area of the smaller circle. Okay, so let us solve now with proper steps. For circle 1, let the radius and area be r1 and a1 respectively. We are numbering the circles over here. So for circle 1, radius is r1, area is a1. Okay, don't forget the word respectively. Same way for circle 2. For circle 2, let the radius and area be R2 and A2 respectively. Now following the conditions, first we are given the ratio of the radii. So according to given condition, R1 upon R2 is 3 upon 8, right? I am taking R1 upon R2, you can take R2 upon R1, but according to that area wala condition bhi change hoga. Keep that in mind, okay? So depending on which radius is smaller or larger, area will also change. Alright, so be very careful with that. यहाँ पे R1 upon R2 3 upon 8 लिया है. Alright, so of course this is reduced value. So कुछ common factor cancel हुआ है. Let the common factor be x. So let the common factor be x. So R1 is 3 into that common factor, that is 3x. So R1 will be 3x centimeter and R2 will be 8x centimeter. Centimeter because area जो है square centimeter में है, तो radius will be in centimeter, right? R1 and R2 we got as 3x and 8x. Which radius is smaller, which is larger? Of course, this is smaller, this is larger, है ना? So this circle is small, circle 1 is small and circle 2 is big, है ना? तो एरिया किसका ज्यादा होगा? Of course, circle 2 का एरिया is more than circle 1, right? So R1 is less than R2, therefore A1 is less than A2. Okay, so here you are given the difference between the areas as 26955 square centimeter. So A2 minus A1 होगा greater minus smaller. So A2 minus A1 is 2695 pi square centimeter. Okay. Now A2 will be pi R2 squared and this will be pi R1 squared. It is equal to 2695 pi. Pi cancel करते हैं. So taking pi common over here, R2 squared minus R1 squared is equal to 2695 pi. Okay. pi cancel हो गया. अब R2 और R1 का values put करते हैं. So R2 is 8x. ये 8x है. 8x the whole का square होगा. R1 is 3x the whole का square. It is equal to 2695. 8 का square 64, x का square x square. Here same way 9x square. It is equal to 2695. So this will give 55x square, correct? So x square is 2695 by 55. Let's cancel out by 5. 5 11s are 5, 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 and 5 9s are 45, right? 539 divided by 11 क्या होगा? 11 से ही कैंसिल करके देखते हैं. 11 4s are 44 होगा, right? And 53 minus 44 gives 9, so 99 11 9s are. So x square is 49. Now taking square root on both the sides, x is 7. Alright, so you have to give reason over here taking square root on both the sides. X का value मिल गया. Now we'll find out the value of R1 because we are told to find the area of the smaller circle. So यहाँ पे R2 का जरूरत ही नहीं है. You don't need to find this. We'll directly find R1 and find out area of the smaller circle. Okay. So R1 is 3x, which is 3 into 7, which is 21 centimeter. Okay. So A1 is pi R1 squared, which is 22 upon 7 ये नेक्स्ट लाइन पे सॉल्व करते हैं. And R1 is 21. Okay, 7 threes are, so 22 into 63. Okay, so 63 into 22, 2 threes are 6, 2 6 are 12, same thing. So 1386 square centimeter is the area of the smaller circle. Box कर दो ये आंसर को. Write down the final statement. The area of the smaller circle is 1386 square centimeter. Let's read the next question. Question number 12. The diameters of three circles are in the ratio 3:5:6. If the sum of the circumferences of these circles be 308 centimeter, find the difference between the areas of the largest and the smallest of these circles. There are three circles. So let's number the circles as 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So first we'll see how to solve. Okay. So circle 1, circle 2, circle 3. Diameters of three circles are in the ratio 3:5:6. So diameter D1, D2, D3 लेंगे. Okay. Diameters are in the ratio 3:5:6. Okay. ये है ratio of diameters. Of course, there is some common factor. Let's say the common factor is x. So D1 will be 3x, D2 will be 5x and D3 will be 6x. So D1 हो जाएगा 3x, D2 5x and D3 6x. Correct? सेंटीमीटर में होगा because circumference सेंटीमीटर में है. Okay, so सेंटीमीटर होगा ये. All right. Now what else? If the sum of the circumferences of these circles be 308 centimeter, so one more condition is there. Sum of the circumferences of the circle. So let's say the circumference of first circle is C1, this is C2 and this is C3. So C1 plus C2 plus C3, sum of the circumferences is 308 centimeter. Okay. सर्कमफ्रेंस के लिए मैं डायमीटर यूज कर सकती हूँ. आई नो द फॉर्मूला ऑफ सर्कमफ्रेंस इज पाई डी, योर पाई D2, योर पाई D3. सो पाई D1 प्लस पाई D2 प्लस पाई D3 इज इक्वल टू 308. D1 इज 3x, D2 इज 5x, D3 इज 6x. सॉल्व करेंगे, सॉल्व करके x का वैल्यू मिलेगा, है ना. सो वंस वी गेट वैल्यू ऑफ x वी विल इजीली गेट द डायमीटर. पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ x आई गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ डायमीटर, है ना. व्हाट डू वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट? फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द एरियाज ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट एंड द स्मॉलेस्ट ऑफ दीज सर्कल्स. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस इन द एरियाज ऑफ लार्जेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट सर्कल्स. सो एरिया ऑफ लार्जेस्ट सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ स्मॉलेस्ट सर्कल, क्या वैल्यू मिल रहा है वो फाइंड आउट करना है. विच वन विल बी द लार्जेस्ट एंड विच वन विल बी द स्मॉलेस्ट? डायमीटर्स देखो, दिस विल बी द स्मॉलेस्ट एंड दिस विल बी द लार्जेस्ट, राइट. ये 3x है, दिस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू, दिस इज द लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू. सो दिस विल बी द लार्जेस्ट सर्कल and this will be the smallest circle. We have to find out the difference in the areas. So A3 minus A1, okay, A3 minus A1 क्या है ये find out करना है. A3 क्या होगा? पाई R3 squared, okay. इसका रेडियस हम लोग easily find out कर सकते हैं. Using the diameter it will be 6x by 2. वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. सेम वे R1 भी फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे 3x by 2. ओके. सो योर पाई R1 स्क्वायर. सॉल्व करके वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके. So we'll put the values of R3 and R1 and solve and find out the difference in the areas of the largest and the smallest circles. To find the difference in areas, we need radii. To find the radii, we need diameters. Diameters कैसे find out करेंगे? By finding the value of x. Okay? So let's solve now with proper steps. For circle 1, let the radius, diameter, circumference and area B, पहले रेडियस है तो रेडियस R1, then diameter D1, then circumference C1 and last area A1 respectively. Okay. Same way for circle 2 and circle 3. For circle 2, let the radius, diameter, circumference and area be R2, D2, C2 and A2 respectively. Although A2 is not required over here, फिर भी add कर दो. Okay. For circle 3, same thing. Okay. So I'm not writing down the entire thing. You have to. R3, D3, C3 and A3 respectively. Okay. Now following the conditions. So according to given condition, diameters of 3 circles are in the ratio 3:5:6. Diameters है D1, D2, D3. तीनों का रेशियो है 3:5:6. ये रेशियो है, so some common factor has been cancelled out. Let's say the common factor is x. So let the common factor be x. So D1 will be 3 into x, that is 3x. सेंटीमीटर में होगा, सर्कमफेरेंस सेंटीमीटर में दिया है तो ये भी सेंटीमीटर में होगा. Then D2 will be 5x centimeter and D3 will be 6x centimeter. Okay. Now following the other condition, if the sum of the circumferences of these circles be 308 centimeter, C1 plus C2 plus C3, sum of the circumferences is 308 centimeter. Then pi D1 plus pi D2 plus pi D3 is equal to 308. Correct? Putting the values of D1, D2, D3. Let's solve further. We got this. Solving this further. Taking pi common, D1 plus D2 plus D3 will remain in brackets. Pi is 22/7. D1 is 3x, D2 is 5x and D3 is 6x. Shifting 22/7 on the other side, यहाँ पे ये add हो जाएगा. This will be 8 plus 6, 14x is equal to 308. Reciprocal हो जाएगा into 7/22, right? Shifting 14 as well. So we are left with 308 into 7/14 into 22. 7 2s are, 2 15s are, 4s are, 2 11s are, 2 7s are, 7s are, 11 7s are. So x का value 7 मिल रहा है. Now we can easily find out the diameters of all the 3 circles. Okay. But what do we need to find out? We need to find out the difference between the areas of the largest and the smallest of these circles. So largest circle कौन सा होगा, smallest circle कौन सा होगा, based on the diameters. So D1 will be less than D2 will be less than D3. Order में ही है, right? D1 is 3x, D2 is 5x, D3 is 6x. So this is the smallest, then this, है ना? सो स्मॉलेस्ट ये है, लार्जेस्ट ये है. सो ये स्मॉलेस्ट डायमीटर है, therefore दिस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट सर्कल. ये लार्जेस्ट डायमीटर है, therefore दिस इज द लार्जेस्ट सर्कल. ओके, सो लार्जेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट में ही इंटरेस्टेड है हम लोग. ये वाला सर्कल नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. सो D1 का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करो. D1 इज 3x विच इज 3 into 7, 21 हो जाएगा. D3 is 6x which is 6 into 7 which is 42 centimeter. We need to find out the areas. For areas radius is required. So R1 and R3 find out करते हैं. R1 will be D1 by 2 which is 21 by 2. Decimal में find out कर सकते हो. I'm keeping it as it is. Okay, this will be 10.5. R3 sorry D3 by 2 which is 42 by 2 which is 21 centimeter. Okay, R1 and R3 मिल गया. We need to find out the difference between the areas of the largest and the smallest of these circles. So A3 minus A1 find out करना है. It will be pi R3 squared minus pi R1 squared. Correct? So that will be 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21 minus 22 upon 7 into 21 upon 2 into 21 upon 2. Correct? 22 upon 7 that is pi common लेते हैं. We are left with 21 into 21 minus 21 upon 2 into, I can take 21 also common, है ना. 21 भी common ले सकते हैं. So into 21 common लिया. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं बचेगा. So 1 minus यहाँ पे denominators के 2 बचेंगे. So 2 into 2 4. So 1 upon 4 बचेगा in denominator. So your 22 into 63. You're taking LCM. 4 minus 1 upon 4, that will be 22 into 63 into 3 upon 4. Correct? 2 2s are 2 11s are. Let's multiply 33 into 63. So 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18. Same thing, 9, 18. So 2079 by 2. 2 10s are 2 3s are 6, right? 2 9s are 18 and decimal में मिलेगा 5, right? 1039.5 or 0.50 square centimeter. Area का बात हो रहा है, square centimeter. Don't forget the units. Box the answer. All right, write down the final statement. The difference between the areas of the largest and the smallest circles is 1039.50 square centimeter. Here I have not written the statement. It would be better that you write down the difference between the areas of the largest and the smallest circles is equal to A3 minus A1. फिर working दिखाओ. Okay, that is also okay. Moving on to next question. Question number 13. Find the area of a ring-shaped region enclosed between two concentric circles of radii 20 cm and 15 cm. Now there are two concentric circles. Concentric circles मतलब क्या हो गया, जिसका centers same है. Okay, so there is one circle having some center. Okay, जो दूसरा सर्कल है उसका भी सेंटर सेम होगा. ओके, सो दैट इज देयर कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल्स. ओके, सो let's say this is circle 1. The smaller circle is circle 1 and this is circle 2. Okay, for both the circles you are given the radii. For larger circle the radius will be 20 cm and for smaller circle 15 cm. So ये smaller circle का radius हो जाएगा R1 will be 15 cm and for the bigger circle C2 it will be R2 20 cm. Okay, we need to find out the area of the ring shaped region enclosed between the two circles. ये जो ring shaped region है, ओके, इसका एरिया क्या होगा ये फाइंड आउट करना है. बहुत इजी है, वेरी वेरी इजी. ये एरिया क्या होगा? The entire area of the big circle minus area of the small circle will give me the area of this ring shape. I'll repeat, area of the big circle minus area of the small circle. बड़े circle में से ये छोटा circle वाला area निकाल दिया, okay? Then this part will be left ring shaped, okay? So area of the big circle, which is C2, minus area of the smaller circle A1 will give me the area of the ring shape, okay? A2 will be pi R2 squared and A1 will be pi R1 squared. Putting the values of R2 and R1, I'll easily get the value, okay? So बहुत easy है. Let us solve now with proper steps. First draw the figure and then start with the solution. So write down the statements first. Let the two concentric circles have radii R1 15 centimeter and R2 20 centimeter. So the smaller circle, I am taking the radius of the smaller circle as R1 and radius of the bigger circle as R2. Okay, we know the radius, so write down the radius values. Also, we'll write down the area. Let the area of the smaller circle be A1 and for the bigger circle be A2. So write down, let their respective areas be A1 and A2, okay? We need to find out the area of the ring shaped region between the two circles. So that is nothing but area of the big circle, okay, that is A2 minus area of the small circle A1. बड़े सर्कल में से छोटा सर्कल का एरिया निकाल देंगे, इतना पोर्शन निकाल देंगे तो इतना ही पोर्शन बचेगा, राइट? सो A2 minus A1. So area of the ring shaped region it is A2 minus A1, that is pi R2 squared minus pi R1 squared. Taking pi common, R2 squared minus R1 squared हो जाएगा. Pi is 22/7. R2 is 20, R1 is 15. Put box brackets outside, okay? You can square and then subtract, okay? That is also okay, but what I am going to do is I'll use the formula a square minus b square. It is a minus b into a plus b. It is easier, okay? So I'll use the formula. Identity use करते हैं. A minus b into a plus b, so that will be 22/7 into this will be 5, this will be 35, 7 5s are right, so 5 5s are 25, 25 into 22, so 25 into 22, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, same thing यहाँ पे, तो 550 मिल रहा है आंसर. 550 square centimeter, right? Because the radii are in centimeter. Box कर दो आंसर को. All right. Add the final statement. The area of the ring-shaped region enclosed between the two concentric circles is 550 square centimeter.